marks your union as one. And you will embark on your journey together. And yan ang inyong mga mahal sa kinabuhi to wish you a blissful union, a happy union, a fruitful union. So, you will begin with that journey with just two things, your love and your commitment to each other. And so, I want you now to say those words, commitment, that hopefully in the many years ahead of you, your commitment to each other now will remind you of that pledge. No? And hopefully will inspire both of you, the maker of the commitment and the beneficiary of the commitment. So, una ang bay sa commitment and then sundan sa groom. Okay? Game.
Mati niyo.
O kumati, mga testigo.
Okay.